Hi friends, myself Unnati Chauhan. We are in front of Cody and we are going to take a small journey of the company. We will see the behavior, atmosphere and the working environment inside the Cody. So let's take a journey and go inside Cody. Hi. Hi friends. We already took the small journey of the coding. We have seen that how Codians are working. Now let's take or let's get the information what is the environment over here and on which product they are working. For that we have Mihir Mistry, a CEO of Cody Technolab.
Hi Unnati.
Hi
How are you?
Mihir, I am fine.
Yeah, have a seat.
Thank you. Hi Mihir. First of all, nice to meet you. I have taken so many interviews of many companies, but the atmosphere is amazing into the Cody surrounding. I really very like, and especially Codians. They are working so many freely, but having a technology and having a great smoothing into the work. If I got opportunity, then I would like to work inside the Cody, and yes, under your guidance.
Yeah, of course, Unnati, why not? But for that, you need to go through the 4 rounds of interview. We have very tough selection process over here. We used to evaluate candidate in terms of written test, a verbal interview, as well as behavior and communication skills. If I brief you about the Cody Technolab, then we are 5 days working company, and we offer employees the flexible working hours, so employee can decide their working hours for the flexibilities. We provide a normal festival holidays for the employee. Also, additionally, we wish that employee must spend time with their family, so we do provide 2 more holidays per month to each employee over here. We used to provide trainings to upgrade our employee skills to meet the market needs and the challenges. We have various technology experts over here in the field of Java, PHP, mobile, designing in QA.
Great, Mihir. Now I would like to know on which product your company is working.
We have various products in our company. If I list few products, then the first product is KERP, that is for the ERP solution. The next product is KEMS. That KEMS application is targeting the field staff. You can track the employees with their locations, and the POS.
So I would like to know about the KERP. Can you brief about it?
Sure. KRP is flexible enterprise web application for the ERP solution. It can be customized and modeled to achieve various business processes to target multiple verticals into industry. KRP is a build based on the open source tools and technology on Java platform to reduce licensing costs.
You said that KERP is for the business process. So in which type, in which behavior it is for the business process?
If I talk about various business processes, then we have divided our application into various modules. KRP has all the modules that each ERP should have, starting from sales, purchase, accounts, production, HR, material management, and business partner. And not we are not restricted to that only. We have divided our application into various modules to cover various business processes. If I talk about what all modules we are covering, then we are covering all features of the ERP, starting from the sales, purchase, accounts, production, material management, HR, and the business partner. Also, we have the integration with the third party application using API.
Yes, Mihir. Then what is the features of KERP?
We have multiple features into our ERP product. I like to talk about key features of the ERP. We have the multiple tenant support. That means you can create multiple companies within the single ERP software. Multiple organizations can have multiple accounts. We have the workflow system to support the legacy business processes that requires approval and rejections. We have multiple reports in each module of the ERP, and we are also GST compatible ERP.
There are many ERP giants into the markets that are available. Then why people should choose your ERP?
Yeah, we have advantages comparing to other ERPs. The first one is the low cost comparing to our competitors, and we are using OSGI framework, so we can provide our ERP solution in terms of modules to the organizations that they need. We used to provide free legacy support to our clients. KRP is built on open source frameworks, tools, and technologies. So clients are free from getting other licenses. Also, if they wish, we can deploy ERP solution over the cloud to reduce the hardware cost. Last but not the least, we have ERP domain experts over here. So we can deliver the software solution that exactly meets to client needs. Apart from that, we have many expertise into ERP and enthusiastic team members who are constantly working under the guidance of the domain experts.
Thank you, Mir, for giving your valuable time to me, and thank you for giving me such information about KERP and about your company. So, friends, now it's time to say goodbye. It's been pleasure for me to be over here. Have a good time. Thank you.